Hello guys, please welcome back to channel Mr. Thai Lotto89 and come from welcome to channel YouTube name Mr. Thai Lotto89. Okay, please come back with me. Okay, how are you today? You have something to eat, guys. And so here in the two numbers, last four number in the YouTube programs and also in the Lotto Thailand and the best of the good leg. Okay, 16 กันยายน 62 Yes 16 กันยายน16 กันยายน 2562 โอเคครับ1 กันยายน 62 and เล็กไทย and want to speak English and the Lotto Thailand. Okay, and two number. Okay, two legs. Okay, two legs and 7 6 but to speak Thai 7 6 7 6 so and 7 6 and 8 7 and 8 7 and 8 7 and 8 7 so yes and 3. Okay, 3 legs and to English 3 number. Okay, and 4 7 and 7 sorry 4 7 and 7 8 7. Okay, okay, this one and 1 กันยายน 2562 and so here 16 กันยายน 2562 okay, 16 กันยายน 2562 okay, and to speak English 22nd September 2009. So here 7. Okay, 7 1 2. Okay, 7 2 6 7 2 6 6 1. Okay, 6 1 and 5 7 2 6 1 5 none number. Okay, and this one and so yes is none number 5 4 4 1. Okay, so here 4 1 and 4 1 5 not none number, then this one cut Okay, cut 5 and 3 0 3 2 and 1. And so yes, cut 1 2 3, cut 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and so yes, these legs not and not, and so it's not, and this one 5 and okay, 5 6 5 6 6 was and 7. Cutter. Okay, and full game. Okay, full. Okay, full game and 3 legs. So yes, and 3 legs 5 7 5 5 6 7 and 5 6 8 and 5 and 5 6 9. Okay guys, I hope so it is 5 6 9. Oh, I am sorry, 5 6 7 5 6 8 5 6 9. Okay, this one and 5 6 5 6 7 5 6 8 and 5 6 9. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for your watching my video. I hope so to subscribe my channel because I great channel to share Thai Lotto 89 for of you all. I wish God good luck take care of you all guys, and I wish good luck of every year. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please goodbye.